My name is Urvashi Gaikwad and we are from Electrical Department from NIT Polytechnic Nagpur. Our capstone project topic is implementation of an automated solar streetlight system. Our project guided by Bhagyashree Hadke ma'am. Our group members are Sumit Sompur, Rahul Gawande, Aniket Tupone, Shubham Surjuse and Parinita Vadve. This project is based on the idea of maintaining maximum utilization and minimum loss of available energy. The plenty of solar energy available during the daytime is stored in the solar cell, and the stored energy is used to glow the street light during the whole night. Also, the system provided a power saving mode operation by adapting the method of automation. A dark sensor and a light sensor provided a automatic on-off facility to the street light so that it will glow automatically when it required. When the surrounding will be dark, it will be turned off and automatically turn on. Hence, the loss of energy due to unnecessary glow of street light can be avoided. The solar street light can be designed after too much research work. Its uniqueness make it best features can make it most perfectable choice in rural areas, which gradual development in this research with new features being added to necessary the efficiency.
My name is Sumit Sompur. The working of this project is the whole day sunlight falls on the solar panel, which consists PV module. The solar panel converts it into electrical energy which stores in battery. The current produced by PV module is flow through the charge controller circuit before charging the battery. The charge controller is used to prevent overcharging and to protect the battery from over voltage, which could reduce the battery life. The street light is equipped with a light sensors and road user sensor. The dark light sensor is used to detect the surrounding light intensity and send the information to the microcontroller, so it that decide where intensity to information of microcontroller. So street light is should on and off.
My name is Rahul Gawande. The component of this project is battery, solar panel, power supply unit, LDR sensor unit, charge controller, switching, frame, resistance, resistor, capacitor, etc. The POs are the project is basic and discipline knowledge, problem analysis, engineering tools, experimentation and testing, lifelong learning, project management.
My name is Aniket Ganesh Tupone. Advantage of this project: low cost, automated operation, low power consumption, very flexible, easy to manufacturing. Disadvantage: in sunny and rainy days, on and off time deferred notice, which is one of the major disadvantage of using timer circuit of manual operation for switching the street light system.
This is the project. Use the solar panel, 12 volt, 20 watt, 12 volt battery. This is the controller that can control the all system. This project use PCB board. PCB means printed circuit board. The function of this board is mechanically support and electrically connect electrical or electronic component using conductive track. And the other picture is attached from one or more sheet layer of copper laminated into between sheet layer and non-conductive substrates. The main components are used of this project is LDR. LDR is the light dependent resistor or photoresistor. It is a device that whose resistivity is function of the incident electromagnetic radiation. Hence, they are light sensitive device.